This is the motherboard that is built by Supermicro, which has the 3-leaf technology that's enabled. And as you see on the motherboard,
just walk us through it, yeah.
These are the AMD processors. So we can have the most current one, which is the Istanbul, and the next generation is the Magnicure. So we support that also, excepting the motherboard is going to be a different motherboard at that time. Because that's Magnicure is a G34 socket.
Okay.
So, and then this is a 3-leaf ASIC, and the 3-leaf ASIC is communicating to these processors using the AMD's hypertransport layer protocol.
Okay.
And on the other side, it has the InfiniBand as well as the Ethernet, and you can stack up 16 of this connected through a commodity InfiniBand switch from anybody, either from a Mellanox or Voltaire or anybody.
Okay.
And what you see with this technology is it's enabling now using the scale-out concept of commodity x86 servers. You can actually build a scale-up system. So you can have 192 cores and up to 1 terabyte of shared memory.
So up to 16 two-socket?
16 two-socket nodes that are connected to a commodity InfiniBand switch, which is acting as a private fabric.
So for HPC apps that need a lot of shared memory,
for HPC apps that
SMP
require,
model?
That's correct. For HPC applications that require a lot of shared memory, where the data that you are processing, enormous amount of data that you are processing, all of that can actually sit in that shared memory, right, which is a huge benefit. So people don't need to swap out and swap in, and you can keep all of the data in that memory itself. So processing becomes faster. There are lots of things that you couldn't do before. You could actually achieve it with the terabyte of memory.
And of course this thing, it's not a monolithic 16 node system. You can, on the fly, tear them down, build them up.
Yeah, so today, you can actually have any kind of configuration, right? So for an operating system that requires, for example, 20 CPUs and 256 gigabytes of memory, I can actually build that, configure that, and boot the system. And in about 6 months' time, you could actually make that even completely dynamic. I can hot plug in and hot plug out both CPU and memory.
Wow.
So on demand basis, I'll be able to plug in and plug out the CPU and the memory.
It's great.
Yeah, without rebooting.
Interesting stuff from 3-leaf. Thank you very much.
Thank you.